Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add an event to calendar on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on calendar. After click on calendar, so if you want to add event to calendar, so click on select date. After select date, type event name and again select date and 1 week before and add notifications. And you will see change default color. Click on save. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.